So this is your very spacious living room. You can chill. In this kitchen, you get two sides of platform. This is a very spacious bedroom, as you can see. Hello everyone, this is Simran Singh from Housey, and today I'm going to be giving you sample flat tour of Godrej Nurture by Godrej. As you can see, I'm standing at the actual location. To my left hand side is the actual land parcel. You can see the construction is still ongoing. Right behind me is the sales office. I'll be taking you outside and showing you the neighborhood of this project and the connectivity of this project as well. As you can see, I'm standing on the main gate of the project. This is the main road, LBS main road. And the left side takes you to Thane and the right side takes you to Kanjurmarg. Before moving ahead, let me give you an introduction of Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with developers, thereby giving you bottom rate pricing. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you call once, your number is shared with multiple brokers, which leads to many calls. But now you don't need to worry anymore because Housey is here, which connects you directly with the builders, because on Housey, the listing is done directly by the developers and not by the brokers. So buy your dream home directly with the builders only on Housey. Talking about the project overview, this project is built on a land parcel of 6.5 acres with 3 towers, ground plus 40 floors with configuration of 2 and 3 BHK plus Jodi flat available. Talking about the amenities, they have 20 plus world-class amenities including 2 swimming pool, 17,000 square feet clubhouse, banquet halls, paddle court and many more. Talking about the connectivity, this location is in Sonapur, Bhandup West with Eastern Express Highway at a distance of 10 minutes, GMLR at a distance of 2 minutes and now railway station at a distance of just 6 minutes. Now let's see the sample flat. Now let's check out a 3 BHK sample flat with an area of 983 square feet. As we enter, this is our foyer area. As you can see, it's quite spacious. To my left hand side is our kitchen. In this kitchen, you get 2 sides of platform. There's good amount of storage over here. As you can see, the upper cabinets and the lower cabinets. So you get good space to store your utensils and other accessories. Right as the platform ends, there's the space for your refrigerator where easily you can store your double door refrigerator. The best part about this kitchen is that you get a dry area for you to store your washing machine. Check it out. Now let's check out our living room. So this is your very spacious living room. You can chill, party, have fun. In the living room, you get attached French window and the best part that you have a private deck. This private deck is attached to your living room where you can nicely enjoy your coffee, chill with your family, have your me time. As you can see, this living space is so spacious. Moving ahead, this is your dining area. Such a big dining area where you can easily, have 7 to 8 seaters of dining space. As we walk ahead, this is your first common washroom. Comes with anti-skid tiles and high-end fittings. Again, the common washroom is quite spacious, guys, as you can see. And to my left hand side is your first bedroom. Again, a very spacious bedroom. You have good amount of walking space. And this is your wardrobe space, a full wall dedicated to your wardrobe space. And after placing a king size bed, there's still so much walking space in this room. And then comes an attached French window and railing for safety purpose. This is your study area over here. Now let's go check out our other rooms. This is our first master bedroom. As you can see, so spacious. And after placing the king size bed, there's still so much walkable space in this room. And again, we get French window along with railing for safety purpose. Moving ahead, this is your wardrobe space, a whole wall dedicated to your wardrobe space and still so much movable space. Going ahead, this is your attached washroom. You can see it's quite spacious, again with anti-skid tiles and high-end fittings. Moving ahead, you can even check the study area where you can peacefully do your work. Let's go ahead. Now we are going to be entering our third bedroom, which is also our second master bedroom. But before entering, let me explain you the key features of Housey. So Housey provides you with actual location tour, sample flat videos and actual flat videos, pros and cons of buying the project, EMI and payment schemes, and 360-degree tour of the location. All these amazing features are available on housey.com. So go book your site visit for free today with us. Come, now let's go to our third bedroom. As we enter, we have our washroom, attached washroom, again with anti-skid tiles and high-end fittings. This is a very spacious bedroom. As you can see, there's so much of movable space over here. Again, comes with French window and attached railing for safety purposes. As we go ahead, this is your wardrobe space. Again, one whole wall dedicated to your wardrobe space. And still there's so much area, movable area. So the bedroom is not congested at all. So this was a sample flat tour of Godrej Nurture by Godrej. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And for more details of this project, do check the icon button.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.